Hey, today I'm doing something that's really special, at least for me. I've got 1.5 inch thick bison ribeyes. And the way I'm going to cook this guy today is I'm going to take this Pit Boss pellet grill, right? We're going to smoke it till it gets up to about 109, 110 degrees. And then I'm going to turn on this sear feature and see how it works. I've never used it before. Now you could certainly just season these guys with salt and pepper. But I've got out my brisket rub from the Heaven Made Products, folks. Love this stuff. I think it'll be just perfect with these ribeyes. Just going to get a little coating on them. You can see, you know, one of them here is a little bit bigger than the other one. I hope you can see that anyway. This one's about 0.8 pounds. This one's about 1.1 pounds. So just going to season up all the sides here, the end. This very simple cook today, right? Very simple cook. And then we're going to get it over there to the pellet smoker, pellet grill, whatever you want to call it. I got this pellet smoker, 225 degrees. The pellets I'm using today is a combination of maple and cherry. See, I got a nice smoke going. I'm just going to get both of these guys on here. I'm deliberately going to cook this smaller one a little bit more than the big one. It's for my son. He won't eat a medium rare. And I'm hoping I can do medium rare for this big one. So we'll get them on there, and like I say, they get up to about 109, 110. I'm going to pull them off, and we'll see if we can sear them. I didn't time this. It's been about 50, 55 minutes. I'm not exactly sure. A couple of my probes are reading 107, 108. Just going to have a look here. You can see this one's up to 100 and wow, 114. Oh, wait a minute. I've got it too far in, guys. So we're right at 105, 6. Hope you can see that. 104. I'm going to take this out, right? It's going to cook up a couple degrees more, and then we're going to sear it. Like I said, I want to try to get these medium rare today. Just going to get these probes out. And if you'll notice, I've already taken the smaller steak off. It already reached 109. So I pulled it off about 15 minutes ago. Now let's get this sear plate going. I've never used it on this smoker. Just going to get the probes out of the way. Let me get this grill grate off. Now hopefully I read the instructions right. The way this thing works is you slide this top over like so. All right. And then we put our grill grate back on. And I'm going to turn that temperature up to high. I'm just going to crank this guy up as far as it can go. It's called high. It's after 475 degrees. We'll let it go 15, 20 minutes, see what temp it's up to. You can see we're up to around 500 degrees. We're going to give it a try. Like I said, I've never used this function on this pellet cooker. But it's getting dark, and I got to get these bison ribeyes done. Just going to let them go maybe a minute, 2 minutes, and we'll flip them over. I don't know, it's been about 45 seconds. I'm just going to give it a 45-degree turn or thereabouts. Give it another 30 seconds or so, and we'll flip them over. All right. Let me flip these guys over. Oh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Right, we've been going another 45 seconds, maybe a minute. Let's get this guy off here. Look at it. It's beautiful. Our steak's been resting here, I don't know, 9, 10 minutes. Bison ribeye. I'm telling you, it smells great. I'm just going to cut this bad boy right down the middle. Oh, man, it is tender. Okay. Going to peel him open for you there. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Medium rare bison ribeye. I sure hope you can see that. It's getting a little dark here. Look at the beautiful color of this bison ribeye. Look at that. Okay. We're going to give it a try. It is so tender. Oh. This is melt in your mouth. Ribeye, I don't know if you've ever had buffalo, bison, whatever you want to call it. Absolutely delicious. It's a little bit less fatty than beef if you've not had it, but it has just got this deep, it's almost like, and you saw, we didn't do anything other than put the brisket rub on there, right? The flavor of this is so rich, it's almost like you put a wine sauce on it. I mean, it's incredible. Sorry for eating in front of you, but as somebody commented the other day, that's the pit master privilege. This turned out perfect for me today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, I hope you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, you'll be notified of all of our new videos.